Scene script. Have you ever wondered about the possibility of staying young forever? Well, you're not alone. The quest for eternal youth is as old as humanity itself. But what if we told you that the secret to unlocking this fountain of youth lies within your own genetic code? Welcome to the cutting-edge world of DNA reprogramming. DNA reprogramming is an exciting field of study that has the potential to revolutionize our understanding of aging, and more importantly, how we can slow it down. Imagine being able to rewire your genetic code, tweaking it to favor youthfulness and vitality. That's exactly what DNA reprogramming promises. Advancements in genetic research have brought us closer to understanding the intricate mechanisms of aging. Our genes, the blueprints of our bodies, can be influenced by various factors, including our lifestyle, nutrition, and stress levels. By manipulating these factors, we can potentially reprogram our genes to delay the aging process. This is where DNA reprogramming comes in. It's a process that involves making specific changes to the DNA in our cells, essentially rewriting the genetic code. This can result in various benefits, including enhanced vitality, improved health, and yes, potentially even longer lifespans. But it's not just about living longer, it's about living better. DNA reprogramming can potentially help us maintain our youthful vigor and vitality, allowing us to lead healthier, more fulfilling lives as we age. Sounds intriguing, right? But how does it work exactly, and how can you start reprogramming your own DNA? Well, that's what we're here to explore. Join us as we delve into the fascinating world of DNA reprogramming, unraveling its secrets and discovering how it could help us unlock the fountain of youth. We'll discuss the science behind aging, delve into the power of DNA reprogramming, share practical techniques you can use, and explore what the future holds for this exciting field. Stay tuned as we unravel the secrets of DNA reprogramming in the quest for eternal youth. So what exactly causes us to age? That's a question many of us have asked at one point or another. Aging is a complex process influenced by a combination of biological and environmental factors. Let's talk biology first. As we age, our cells undergo certain changes. The most significant one is the shortening of our telomeres, the protective caps at the end of our chromosomes. Each time a cell divides, these telomeres get a little shorter, and after a certain point they become so short that the cell can no longer divide. This leads to cell aging or senescence, which in turn leads to the physical signs of aging we're all familiar with. Then there are environmental factors. Things like exposure to sunlight, poor diet, lack of exercise, and stress can all speed up the aging process. These factors can cause what's known as oxidative stress, which leads to DNA damage and further accelerates aging. But here's where it gets interesting. Our DNA, this complex blueprint that dictates everything from our eye color to our risk of certain diseases, also plays a crucial role in aging. Over time, alterations in our genetic code, whether due to errors in DNA replication or environmental damage, can lead to signs of aging. Think of it like a car. If the blueprint has errors or if it's not properly maintained, it's going to start showing signs of wear and tear. But what if we could alter that blueprint? What if we could correct those errors and undo that damage? That's the promise of DNA reprogramming. By making targeted changes to our genetic code, we could potentially slow down, halt, or even reverse the aging process. As we can see, our DNA holds significant sway over our aging process. But with the power of DNA reprogramming, we may just be able to turn the tables on Father Time. Stay tuned as we delve deeper into this fascinating topic in our next segment. Imagine if you could tweak your DNA to slow down aging. Well, that's exactly what DNA reprogramming is all about. DNA reprogramming? Sounds like something out of a science fiction novel, doesn't it? But it's not. It's a real and exciting field of study that is breaking new ground every day in our understanding of how we age and how we can potentially slow down this process. So what exactly is DNA reprogramming? In the simplest terms, it's the ability to reset the biological clock inside each of our cells, essentially turning back time on a cellular level. This is done by manipulating specific genes within our DNA to alter the way they function. Now, this doesn't mean you'll suddenly morph into a teenager again, but it does mean that the cells in your body could behave as though they were younger. And this could have profound implications for our health and lifespan. But how exactly does this work? Well, scientists have discovered that as we age, certain genes within our DNA become less active or switch off entirely. DNA reprogramming works by finding ways to switch on these genes again, restoring their youthful vigor. This concept isn't just theoretical. Studies have shown that DNA reprogramming can extend the lifespan of organisms like yeast, worms, and even mice. While we're still a long way from applying these techniques to humans, the potential is there, and the results so far are promising. So what does this mean for you? It means that one day we may be able to use DNA reprogramming to not only slow down the aging process, but potentially reverse it. Imagine being able to maintain a youthful energy and vitality well into your later years. Sounds like a dream, right? But with the power of DNA reprogramming, it could become a reality. Yes, the power to stay young could very well lie in our own genes. So, how can you tap into the power of DNA reprogramming? The answer lies in the implementation of practical techniques and lifestyle changes that can positively influence your genetic code. Firstly, let's talk about diet. Consuming a balanced, nutrient-rich diet is crucial to maintaining optimal health and slowing down the aging process. Foods rich in antioxidants such as berries, nuts, and dark chocolate can help combat oxidative stress, a key factor in aging. Incorporating omega-3 fatty acids found in fish and flax seeds can also contribute to DNA protection and repair. Exercise is another critical component of DNA reprogramming. Regular physical activity can stimulate the production of telomerase, an enzyme that helps maintain the length of telomeres, the protective caps at the end of our chromosomes. Longer telomeres are associated with slower aging and increased lifespan, so whether it's a brisk walk in the park, a sweaty gym session, or a calming yoga practice, make sure to get moving. Stress management is equally essential. Chronic stress can accelerate the aging process by shortening our telomeres. Techniques such as mindfulness, meditation, and deep breathing can help manage stress levels and promote a sense of calm and well-being. Don't forget the importance of a good night's sleep. Quality sleep is when your body repairs itself at a cellular level, including your DNA. Strive for 7 to 9 hours of uninterrupted sleep per night to give your body ample time to perform these essential restorative functions. While these are general guidelines, it's important to remember that everyone's body is unique. What works for one person may not work for another. Therefore, it's always a good idea to consult with a healthcare professional or genetic counselor to develop a personalized strategy that fits your individual needs and goals. Additionally, keep in mind that these lifestyle changes are not a quick fix. DNA reprogramming requires consistency and patience. It's not about drastic changes, but rather about making small, sustainable adjustments to your daily routine. These changes over time can yield significant results. Lastly, it's crucial to stay informed and up to date with the latest research and advancements in the field of DNA reprogramming. Science is continually evolving and new discoveries are being made every day. By staying educated, you can make the most informed decisions about your health and longevity. Remember, consistent and healthy lifestyle choices can significantly influence your DNA and the aging process. So start today and step into a future where you're not just surviving but thriving, full of vitality and youthfulness. The power to rewrite your genetic destiny is in your hands. What will you choose? The field of DNA reprogramming is rapidly advancing and holds great promise for the future. As we venture into this next segment, let's delve into the current state of research and the exciting prospects that lie ahead in this revolutionary field. Imagine a future where aging is no longer a given, but a choice. This is the world that DNA reprogramming seeks to create. Current research is brimming with discoveries that could potentially change our understanding of aging. Scientists are unlocking the secrets of our genetic code, learning how to manipulate it to slow down, halt, or even reverse the aging process. Recent breakthroughs have shown that it's possible to reprogram cells to a younger state, essentially turning back the hands of time. These techniques are still in their infancy, but the implications are immense. In the not-too-distant future, we might have the ability to control our aging process at a cellular level, ushering in a new era of longevity. The frontier of DNA reprogramming is not just about extending life, but enhancing its quality. It's about promoting health, vitality, and well-being throughout our lives. It's about unlocking the potential within our own bodies to stay youthful, energetic, and healthy for longer than we ever thought possible. However, it's important to remember that with great power comes great responsibility. As we continue to explore the vast potential of DNA reprogramming, we must also consider its ethical implications. It's a delicate balance between pushing the boundaries of what's possible and ensuring we use this technology for the betterment of all. The future of DNA reprogramming certainly looks bright, and it might just hold the key to eternal youth. As we continue to unravel the mysteries of our genetic code, we edge closer to a future where age is just a number, and the fountain of youth exists not in a mythical land, but within our very own cells. Stay tuned as we continue to explore this exciting frontier, because the journey to eternal youth, it seems, has only just begun. We hope this video has provided a fascinating insight into the world of DNA reprogramming. We've journeyed through the science behind aging, delved into the power of DNA reprogramming, and explored practical techniques to make this a reality for you. In our pursuit of eternal youth, we've learned that aging is not just a consequence of time, but also a result of our genetic code. But here's the good news. We can influence this code. We can reprogram it. The key to unlocking our youth lies within our very own DNA. We've examined the role of lifestyle choices, nutrition, exercise, and stress management in the reprogramming process. These are not just elements of a healthy lifestyle, but crucial factors that can help us tap into the fountain of youth. The potential of DNA reprogramming is immense. It's not just about looking young, it's about a profound rejuvenation of our body, mind, and soul. It's about enhancing our well-being and vitality. It's about living our best lives for a longer time. The future of DNA reprogramming is exhilarating. With cutting-edge research and revolutionary advancements, we are standing at the threshold of a new era. An era where we can rewrite the script of aging and embark on a transformative journey towards eternal youth. But remember, this journey is not a solitary one. We are here to guide you through it, to provide you with the latest scientific research, practical techniques, and proven strategies. So join us in exploring the exciting world of DNA reprogramming. We invite you to be part of this transformative journey, to take control of your own DNA, to unlock your potential for eternal youth, to step into a future where aging is not a certainty but a choice. Join us in exploring the exciting world of DNA reprogramming, and let's unlock the fountain of youth together.